Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Halo Halo Mix Vlogs. It's 4:33 on a Thursday afternoon. It's -2 right now, and it should be gonna be right around this temp until probably early in the evening. And I just want to go back to you and share some of my thoughts. So the stock market is in a sea of red right now. It looks like there's a sell-off. Partly, this is just my opinion. Partly because of the U.S. government U.S. government had implemented about the 1400 stimulus check. So it looks like they're going to limit the 1400 stimulus checks to individuals who earn 80,000 or less, and $160,000 per couples. So there's going to be a lot less money on the table, especially for those who previously got this stimulus $2,000 stimulus check, that they were able to participate in this stock market route of the short sellers of GME and cryptos. So what I'm thinking is this is just the start of it feels like this is it's already the crash has already begun, but it feels to me like it's the market. So if you're gonna ask me who the markets are, I really don't know. So you just have to form your own conclusion who the markets are. Probably investors, individual, and institution. So it feels like the markets is just giving the government or the Fed's the decision to if you don't want this stock market to go down on its knees, you have to print more money, because so print more cash, sorry, because last year they printed almost 8 million. So right now they're just giving away 1.9 trillion, which is a quarter of what they gave out last year. So it looks like this is just a signal for them to, okay, if you wanna hand out some money, you have to do it at least like what they did last year from the previous government, which is 8 trillion or even more, and not a penny less, or otherwise we're gonna bring this economy down to its knees. You're gonna blow up right into your face. So that's what I'm thinking. But it has I thought it was prepared to see this some sort of market correction right now, which is almost 15%. Energy sector is up, but the rest of the techs are down, and there are a lot more stocks that went down. So I thought I was prepared to see this kind of route, but I wasn't prepared somehow, because I thought I prepared myself because I've already invested in crypto last year, which is way more volatile and way riskier than the stock market. The difference now between the stock market now, the investment that I have in the stock market as opposed to my investment in crypto, because as I've said before, I invested in crypto in January 2020, and then I started investing in the stock market just at the start of maybe in the end of January, beginning of February. Well, I started at the end of January. So what's the main difference? It's when I jumped into the crypto, the wave is still forming. It is still down. The prices are still down, and then the wave, I ride the wave up, and then it crashed in March, and then from that time on it kind of moved sideways. So the prices are still down. until the middle of last year. The same thing happened with the stock market. It crashed on in March of last year, and then kind of start moving way up, starting it make its move in the middle of last year. And so I waited. Why did I took long to jump into the stock market? Because I waited for the crash. A lot of experts were predicting that the stock market will have a correction in before the end of the year, when the U.S. election is over. So I waited for it, but it didn't happen. So these experts came out the next year in January saying, oh, we're gonna have a correction or 80% crash in March, and then another one they said in April, and at the very least someone said the latest would be in the summer, second half of this year. Well, I'm hoping it doesn't happen this month, and also next month, and I hope it doesn't happen this year. But if it happens, it happens. So what can I do? I mean, if it happens, then you just had to hang on to whatever stock you have. As long as you don't sell, then you still have the stock, and then wait it out. It will just gonna go up by itself. You know, that's the problem. A lot of people were still waiting for this crash to happen, and they're waiting on the sidelines. And that right now it just reiterate that crash to them. So they're still waiting out, and then if it doesn't happen, and then they feel much better, that hoping that it will never happen, that's the time they will jump into the water, and that's when the crash will happen. So a lot of cash or a lot of currency has been lost due to preparing for this crash, or timing this crash than the actual crash itself. So my main focus now is to diversify your holdings. Don't hold it only on one sector of the economy, on just energy. You need to have a diversified portfolio. Much better if you have a dividend paying ETF, which would make you less vulnerable, because you're getting some dividend from these companies. But it's up to you. Do whatever you feel like you're comfortable with, but definitely diversify your portfolio, and make sure that you only put money into a stock market, or any investment that you put in. Only put money that you are you're willing to part with, or you're willing to lose. Because this is highly speculative. Even if it's a stock market, the whole economy is only a speculation. So right now, as I've said, it doesn't matter what people pay for any kind of stuff. We're gonna pay whatever price you're gonna throw into them. But the problem is they worry about what their main focus is, what the next person would be willing to pay for that particular item. So as such, I leave you for now, and I hope you prepare yourself, and be safe out there. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.